morning. So this is a project. Basically, we wanted this to be on a glove, but for the sake of technical demonstration, we have built it on a puff board. Breadboard. Basically, it has 6 modes right now. So let's begin. Yellow switch has 3 modes. The red switch has 4 modes. Okay. So let's begin with red switch first. This is our this mode is related to like electronics and electrical guy. Like let's even implement our LCD as well as this thing. So it will be coming on. So let's right now the mode is 0. Let's go in some mode. So right now we are in capacitance mode. The LCD is also showing mode, and the mode is shown over the top right of LCD, bottom right of the LCD. So this is our cable, and this is our capacitance, random capacitance, whose value is 63 volt and 33 microfarads, which is written over here. So all we need is to plug this capacitor in this mode, and voila, the capacitance which is being read is 34.53 microfarads, which is also written read over here and read over here
on the serial monitor.
This is the serial monitor of Arduino IDE. Let's change the mode then. So right now we are in resistance mode.
Just for checking.
So let's verify that this is what's the resistance of this resistor, which we'll be connecting over here. So let's connect. It's around 220 ohms, which is read by the multimeter, 220 ohms. Let's put this resistor in here. Please focus over here. These 2 wires, we have to put our resistor over here, like these 2 black colored lines. Just connect the resistor here. So here we are reading something like 0.24 volts to 24 ohms, and here also on serial monitor we are reading 0.24 ohms. Let's change the mode then. Right now we are in voltage mode. So here is a battery. Let's measure the voltage quickly. So it's around 4.04 volts. Let's plug this battery in with our voltmeter. This is our voltmeter. Let's create a common ground first of all. Quickly. Here connects a voltmeter. So this is showing around 3.97 volts. This is pretty accurate. On serial monitor also it is showing 3.97 volt, and we are in mode 5 right now. Okay. Now let's show something else. So right now we are in humidity and temperature sensing mode. Basically this whole thing is based on DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. So right now humidity is 29% and temperature is 25.00 degrees Celsius right now in our room. Let's change the mode. Right now we enter distance measuring mode, but it's a bit buggy, so it's not working properly. We are in RPM mode. Like this is showing some values because it was already kept over here like this. So if the LED go, it's like this. Okay, so like this. So we measure the over here. Let's change the mode. So this is our current mode, right? Right now we don't have any good proper thing to measure the current, so we are not measuring the current, but we have tested it for about 1 amps for few seconds. It was working fine right that time. Thank you. And furthermore, just a second, like this is our IMU, which is an MPU 9250. This is completely a gesture controlled thing, like you just turn it like this, and it will work. Thank you.